Alright guys, gals, friends, family, Steve Patton with General Patton Bushcraft back with you with another video, friend. Today is the Stanley pocket knife 10-049. Let's see how it works. Stay tuned. Stanley 10-049. You can get these on Amazon for less than $10. Right around $9 and some change, friends, on Amazon. The Stanley 10-049. Let me show you what the blade looks like. There's the blade. You can get a 3-pack of the blades for around $13. See how it does on scraping some fat wood, friends. Looks like we got some fat wood in here. See if we can get that out. Another thing, friends, you don't have to change out the blades. You can just sharpen these. Sharpen this blade up. Keep on rocking and rolling with it on the Stanley 10-049. I know David West out there, he loves this knife. And Mr. David West is where I learned about this 10-049. I think I love it now. Fits nice in the pocket. See if we can get some more of this fat wood out of here. Oh, I don't want the wind to blow it away. I'm going to put this here as a wind block. Alright, friends, another thing I like about this 10-049 is this spine. You can really sharpen it up, make it really flat, get a 90-degree spine on it, and then when you go to hit that ferro rod, you'll really notice a big difference from a knife that has a rolled spine that's not quite 90 degrees. Sharpen that up real nice. Sharpen the blade up. And there's your Stanley 10-049. Friends, let's put a ferro rod spark on this pile of fat wood before the wind blows it away. See if we can't get it to light. Let's see how well it works. Wow, friends, look at that. That's that 90-degree spine I'm telling you about. Let me back you up. Let's dump this out. Alright, friends, there you have it. The Stanley 10-049 pocket knife. General Pat gives it a 1, 2, 3 thumbs up, friends. Pull this out, close it up. All right. I want to thank you guys for stopping by the channel. I thank you for all your views, likes, comments. And as always, friends, it's time to give your life over to Jesus Christ. Use your free will, friends. Use your free will and do it today. All right, before you leave the channel, please consider subscribing. And as always, God is good, God is great. I see y'all on the next video. Already got a date.